In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI in Google Slides. If you're looking for a way to enhance your presentations effortlessly, then this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps together to make your slides truly stand out. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Slides on your device. This can be done easily by navigating to slidesgoogle.com in your preferred web browser. If you're using a mobile device, ensure that your Google Slides app is up to date to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you have Google Slides open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should spot an icon that represents Gemini AI. Click on that icon. If it's your first time using Gemini AI, you might be prompted to sign in or grant permissions depending on your account settings. Don't worry, just follow the on-screen instructions to integrate Gemini AI with your Google Slides. Once you've accessed Gemini AI, it's time to let the magic happen. You can use Gemini to generate content for your presentation. This tool is designed to help streamline your work by creating engaging and relevant content based on your topic or prompts. Take advantage of its capability to not just generate text, but also suggest a variety of layouts and designs tailored to your needs. This means that whether you're working on a school project or a business plan, Gemini has got you covered with content that's both insightful and unique. After Gemini has generated the content, it's important to take a moment to review what's been produced. You have full control here, so don't hesitate to make edits or adjustments. If any of the content needs tweaking to better fit your narrative or aesthetic, go ahead and make those changes. You can insert the content directly into your slide where you see fit. This step ensures that everything aligns perfectly with your vision for the presentation. Finally, it's time to put on the finishing touches. Once all your content is in place, look through your design and make any necessary adjustments. Focus on perfecting your slide's design elements and transitions to create a cohesive flow throughout the presentation. It's also a great idea to preview your entire presentation from start to finish to ensure that everything looks and sounds just right before the big reveal. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now learned how to effectively use Gemini AI in Google Slides. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that your future presentations are more dynamic and engaging than ever. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to explore other features that Google Slides offers alongside Gemini AI for even more creativity and efficiency in your projects.